Close those eyes.
Without the presence of Michael Jordan, and there you see 9 more points a game between the three of them.
That's it!
What do you think, guys?
Where is it? Hey guys!
This is your name.
Hey, look up here, guys! Hey guys!
There, Jaden, that's your name. That's to tell us the thermometer.
Your own toolbox.
That's your nightlight.
What's in there, guys?
Your own tools.
Your own scissors. Mark, you were asking me about scissors just the other day. Your own glue. All right.
This is your magnifying glass.
Now you don't have to. You don't have to use the handcuffs anymore.
Look, it stays right on there.
Is that neat or what? You get keys too? Oh. Can I have you guys' picture? Grandma. Hey guys. Wow. Hey Bert, look over here. Hey, geez, right here. Hey Marky. Hey, Marky. The toolbox, huh?
We got happy birthday socks for the birthday.
Wow.
Your bungee cord.
What's that?
I think now. And this is your tape. You have to tape up stuff.
Gosh, Mark, you can help me work on the house now.
Get thirsty after you're working. You can put your juice in there. That is great. This is your reflector light, so people can see you when you're coming. You can put it right on you. This is your big flashlight.
Your very own flashlight, Marky.
And this is your lock and key.
What else is in there?
Special things.
Gosh, what else is in there?
That's your glue. Stuff, Bert. You got your glue too. Well, you have more presents, don't you? You got your own tape in there too? Wow. And look at this card. Growls and everything. You're thirsty.
Marcus! You're supposed to be working.
Welcome back to the Chicago Stadium. The Bulls finishing up the pregame warm-ups.
David, show me something out of your toolbox.
81-72 Thursday night, sparked by that man, Scottie Pippen with his second triple-double of the season.
Did you show Dad your little
Orlando Magic.
Let me see it. Let me get a close-up on that thing. What is that?
By the score of 122.
Oh.
12, Shaquille O'Neal 34, Anthony Hardaway career high at 31.
This is lots of presents here.
Chicago.
Josh.
I don't think so.
Now for the introduction of the starting lineup. Here he is, the public address.
David, do you like your toolbox? He likes his.
Good.
Marcus, where'd he go? Marky, you like your toolbox?
Our presents as soon as Papa gets back. You like it first? J-A-N. Jane. Rootin' tootin', gun totin'. Look at that, he's even got a ticket and a feather on his hat. Look at him, he can rock and roll with the best of them, Dad.
Oh, here, Marky, get back there. Let me get a picture again.
He just tips over. Just gave it.
You good? That's great.
Yay!
Okay, Grandma. Hey, Marky. Here, buddy. Hey, Bird.
He's a rootin' tootin' cowboy. That is
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it.
so... Oh, let me go get Mark.
I got it. I just need to.
That thing's bouncing around, I guarantee.
What is? Oh, now, yeah.
Grandma!
Hey, Marky.
Look at you!
Look how cute. Sing the rodeo song.
Grandma!
Let's
Sing the Thunder Rolls. Yay.
Oh.
Say yee-haw.
Friends and low places.
Do you have Tim and costume?
Tim and
That's a Tim Man costume, just Garth Brooks.
That is so cute. They put that on.
Barney costume.
The Barney's at home.
Barney costume is at home. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's hanging up in the
Hey,
closet.
Garth.
Slammed my front door. That's what I want.
Probably her.
Hey, Garth Brooks, turn around here, boy. Hey, look what I got.
And that's a good one.
All right.
That works.
Too cute.
Bye-bye, Garth.
Go show your dad in the garage. Look at the backside.
That's unbelievable.
The backside's funny too.
Okay.
Uh-oh.